Hadian jong ka Jingbujli Myntri kala day setang kapor ban ken mau na kabenta ki Myntri ki bala mino bat na kabenta ki Barim Thymmai pan. Kadai kapor bakin perkhat lupa ya karukom trekam na kabenta ki snem ki banwan khamtam hadian ka jingpen khamti ya ki kam.
Myntri kala day setang kapor ban ken mau na kabenta ki Myntri ki bala mino. Bat na kabenta ki Barim Thymmai pat kadai kapor bakin perkhat lupa ya karukom trekam na kabenta ki snam ki banwan khamtam hadin ka jimpen khamti ya ki kam. Myntri balami no coming one omban ula pedyang ya kan ka jimpen kala na ka baong badai ban ailat lang ya ki khmat Thymmai ban chakri ya ki patba.
I have any disappointed regarding this. This is not my permanent chair. This chair they cannot appoint anybody, not only me.
Myntri Barim uba ilhek ula pentikna baya ka syuki balabha na gabenta ka seng on sa trelang armut ki MLA ka BJP. Ya uba san bor sulai ladap ban kentup kum Myntri uba Thymmai bat unbat ya ka kam hakatran arts and culture na lor ki we.
Mine is like this. From beginning the day when I took the swearing in, this is agreement made by the state office. So they have state office, BJP state office. I should go for 2.5 years and Basamor will come 2.5 years. So today it has fulfilled that 2.5 years at 2.5.
Naki Myntri ki bala pendung Thymmai uba men ba lingdo ulakran Shaphang ka jingatali haki seng ba yaso ka sorkar. Uba wailat miki shilla upai khmad halor ka jing ki samla uba la ka mendremboy ukran Shaphang ka jing ai jing shakri bat uba method yas dakhar ulakular ban ra e ka mat ban penbet ya ki jakka khapot ka ILP bat ka jing thup ya ka khtian KHASI ha ka each schedule.
There's no reason of dropping anyone. It's basically sharing of responsibilities. I think that is the right or appropriate approach as far as my personal opinion is concerned, which is being expressed by all the elected members and party as a whole.
Daga focus area di ngai to kamon mo pa I kan ro khamtam yo ma kan ka chukko kat ni ka jing ngop yang kan ro ka jing di ru ai drugs to bi ka main ko kamon thu la do yo ya da ne benta ka ni daga jing re lam ne yang ko sor kan bakam ju le ki chnu dan ni ki civil society repair.
There is nothing much in my mind because as I said time and again that any position you hold it is the same for me. It is only how to serve the people the best. So for me, whatever the position I hold, there is no difference at all.
Secondly, when we are talking like the party as a whole, we have been focusing and we wish the party founder also have been voicing it out that we wish to include our KHASI and Garo language in the 8th schedule. So this is also one of the issues that we will be pursuing. And then the demand of the party about the ILP since the beginning. And this also is another issue that we will be pursuing as a party. So,
Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Myntri rang badu ke Riu Narendra Modi hene ka singi ulap